This channel is more than just a YouTube channel to me. It's something I've worked on, built, and truly cared about. Here I played Mobile Legends. I played Ling. I competed in high-ranked matches and reached global rankings. I took the game seriously and shared real competition with the viewers. Recently, something unexpected happened. My channel was taken without my permission. I lost access due to a security issue that was out of my control. For a moment, everything felt paused, but I didn't give up. I took the right steps, contacted support, and handled the process patiently and correctly. Today, I'm here because I got my channel back. This experience taught me a lot. I'm more careful, more aware, and moving forward stronger. The content will continue. Try-hard matches, high-rank competition, the same goals, just with a stronger mindset this time. Thank you to everyone who supported me. This isn't just a comeback, it's a decision to move forward from a better place. Now you will see my progression, all the way from the start.